Here's another cool AI workflow that you can implement in your content. Say you've launched a new feature or you've just changed the messaging for one of your products. Suddenly, all of your content, maybe possibly hundreds of articles, are out of date. What if you could update it all in one go? So this is a workflow that I've been testing with AirOps, and it works pretty well. So just for context, we're updating our messaging. It used to be something like this, a content marketing agency that helps companies acquire customers, position themselves as experts, and I'm updating it to something shorter. The thing is that all our podcasts, articles, everything has this old positioning. So there's like lots of articles to update. So here's how the workflow works. First of all, it's imported all of our articles from Webflow. It then does a first workflow, a first check to see, okay, is the positioning outdated? I've already told it kind of what I'm looking for. And it will say, okay, yes, this is old positioning. Yes, this is old positioning. It will then do a scan and say, this is why it's out of date. It will flag that snippet. And then in the next workflow, it will then rewrite that snippet and say, this is the updated one, which you can then export back to Webflow. So I'll show you a little bit what it looks like in practice. So I'll start off by sorting by first the articles that have a match, right? And let's take this one here as an example. This is a podcast episode. And just as I said, it's got old positioning all the way at the bottom here. Bit up here. Yeah, it's got the old positioning, right? So what I've done now is I start off by running the playbook, this one here. And you can see here that it's looked at the article and it's flagged that this snippet is outdated, right? Now, this can be all done automatically, but I'm going to do it manually. The first step is to then rewrite that specific snippet. So I'm going to put pause and let it do that. So that's now done. And if we click in, we can see here that it's broken down what it's done. We can see here as well the new snippet, which is the updated one. Turns content into measure popular for fintech and financial services. So that's all correct. Amazing. The next step is that it will then take the snippet and reconnect it to the old article, because we don't want to rewrite the old article. We just want that part to finish. And there we have it. This is the new article with the updated positioning. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, it should be there. That's right. And now when I click here, it will export to Webflow. I've set it so it publishes automatically. Let's test it. Reload. And then just like that, we've got the new positioning. So I've just done one here, but you can click this button and it will do all of your articles in one go. So yeah, pretty powerful AI workflow right here. Again, if you're interested in learning how to set this up, I've added a link below that will share a little bit more info, or just DM me and I can show you.